Well, good evening, everybody. This is a stay-at-home grandma, and I have the trifold. It's Emilion, I think it is. It's wallet. It's trifold, and it's minimalist. Emilion, A-M-E-L-L-E-O-N. It's a trifold, and I got this. I told you I'm doing my Christmas shopping. Got this as a gift, and it comes in brown and black. Let's open it, shall we? How's everybody doing? I'm doing fine. You know, today is Thursday review day. Trying to get back on track again, and it's happening for me. Get this open. Get that packed in here. Comes in a beautiful box too. I'll show you the box again. So this is it. Okay, let's open it. This is the first fold, and then this is the other fold, so that it's trifolds. So you get, well, for that person who doesn't carry a bunch of things in his wallet, you know, this is a nice wallet, and it's leather, and it's RFID, and it's actually very pretty. So if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Put a comment in the comment section, and I will see you later. I love you again. It's in a million. Okay, I love you. Take care. Oh, I forgot to show you the box. I'm sorry. I did show you the box, kind of, but this is the box that it comes in. So I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.